Okay, we've reached the end. This is the last activity, and this is showing time-lapse data in a 2D visualization using something called a Kymogram. So for this, we're going to use the images in the Kymogram folder, and we're going to open tracking.tiff. And you'll see in this example, if I play this, so we've got two sets of organelles that are tracking along a neuronal process, and what we want to do is work out which ones are moving to the right, which ones are moving to the left, and which ones are staying static over time. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all is to split the channels. So hopefully everyone remembers how to do that. Image, color, split channels. Now we have channel 1 and channel 2. Next we want to use the line tool, just the straight line. And I'm going to left click and I'm going to hold shift at the same time to make sure that this is a straight line. I can release. And the next thing I want to do is reassign this region of interest onto the other one. So if we remember, edit, selection, restore selection, or control shift E. So we've got the exact same line on both sides. So let's go back onto channel 1. We're going to run a Kymogram on channel 1. So to do that, we're going to analyze multi-Kymogram, multi-Kymogram. And that's going to ask us what is the line width that we want to use. In this case, we're going to use 29 pixels, so we're making the line pretty much the full length of depth of the image, height of the image. This has to be an odd number for this to work. So let's go through and do that. And this has generated our Kymogram. So what we've got along the x-axis is intensity across this line, and in the y-axis is time. So any organelles that you see going straight down or not moving over time, anything that's moving down to the right is moving to the right over time, and anything that's moving down to the left is moving to the left over time. So let's just rename this red, just so we know that that's from the red channel. And let's repeat the Kymogram on the channel 2. So analyze multi-Kymogram, multi-Kymogram. Again with 29 pixels line width. And here we've got green Kymogram. Okay, so we could keep these separate, but we can also merge them back in together so we can see both of the organelles in one 2D image. And to do that, we're going to use the image, color, merge channels. And our green is going to be the green Kymogram, and our red is going to be the red Kymogram. We don't want to create a composite. Let's keep the source images. Okay, so in this example now we've got a Kymogram showing what these organelles are doing in 2 channels over time. So again, not very quantitative, but a good heads-up display of what's happening to these organelles over that line over time. And again, you would save that out as a TIFF file.